Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Renovation. We're back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Tempe. We have countertops going in today, and I am so excited for the progress on this project. Can you see the guys over my shoulder? They're over there installing countertops in the kitchen. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So as you can see, they've gotten the big island top on for us for this fantastic kitchen space. What a prep center that's going to be. Amazing in the process for these homeowners. They're starting to put in the top over here for the kitchen sink. They've already got all the subtops on. So in this guest bath, you can see we've got our subtops on. Placement cut out for our widespread faucets, and our sinks are in place. Oh yay! Now here in our master bathroom with our beautiful cabinets. Oh, I love the stain on these cabinets. It's just fantastic. We've got a sink in place. We'll have another sink in place shortly. And then they've got the space for the widespread faucets. I'm so excited to see the progress on this project. We've got our poles in on this cabinet. Oh, just looks so, so good. We're waiting on some glass for that shower, but doesn't it just look fantastic? Our last little space that we have for a countertop is over here in the bar area. Oh, subtops in, bar sinks in. Isn't that just the cutest little sink? She's so pretty. All right, so she's gonna have a great little faucet attached to her also. Just looks so good. With this fireplace mantle, oh, it's a little bit more traditional in its vibe. And once the tile goes in and then the backsplash tile in the kitchen is on, that style will just be gorgeous with this space. You can also see where we've got all of our floors leveled out. They've done all the floor prep work so that once we're complete with this counter install, we can get the flooring install started. Oh, but friends, it's gonna be so great. Thanks for being on this journey with us. We couldn't do it without you. We're so grateful for this opportunity. Take great care of yourself. We trust you. You've got it.